athi lapho ke ngelanga la nge4 babu advocate Baloyi futhi babu advocate Mnisi ibona ke bamtshela ukuthi mina thathe ithombe ngesikhathi athi behamba lapho ke besenza lo hlelo kade belele lapho ke ade ngelanga la nge5 uma ngabe sekahlehlela emuva uma bekabuyela lapho kwesibili ke lapho ke ade ayekhona ke nenhloso ukuthi athathe ke ithombe zale ndawo yonkana.
The cones which you put on the second scene, who told you that this coin must be here, that cone must be there, that cone must be there?
Athi ke amakhozi lawa awabekile ke ngesikhathi ubuyela lapho kwesibili ke ngesikhathi bubuyela kwesibili kule ndawo yesigameko esibili ngabe ubani owakutshela ukuthi ikhona ethize kumele ubeke lapha yabe sithathe ikhona ethize uyibekele ngale?
I was putting them in a place where when I took with a camera, I can able to see them, all of them, in one photo. That's how I placed the cones.
Athi amakhonzi la bekawabeka ekuthizeni ke uma ngabe thatha ke isithombe akhona utshangakala ke isithombe lesi bekasithatha athi kungakho bekabeke ama coins kule ndawo le owabeka kuyona.
No man, Mr. Mangai, understand my question. My question is, I'm not asking you why. I'm asking you who showed you that this cone must be there, that cone must be there, this cone must be here.
Athi mnumzane Mangai awuzwile kumbuzo kathi umbuzo ukuthi ngabe ubani owakutshengisa mawutshela ukuthi ikhona ethize kumele uyibeke la bese sibili uyibeke lapha ya bese yenye ikhona futhi uthathe uyibekise ngale ubani okutshela lokho?
I decided where to put the cones because I was alone who was putting and taking photos.
Athi uyena kwathatha isinqumo sokuthi ke amakhono abeke kuphi ke nendawo ngoba kade ayedwa ke lapho ke futhi uyena bakathatha isinqumo sokuthi abeke amakhono ngendlela awabeka ngayo ngaphambi kokuthi aqale athobuleke ithombe.
But now why then did you, what would have been the narrative for you to put a cone at a particular place and then the cone at a particular place, the other cone at a particular place?
Athi bekuyini inhloso ukuthi uthathe inhloso yakho yokuthi uthathe ikhona ethize uyibeke la bese enye khona umikise ngale bese enye khona ubeke ngale bekuyini inhloso ukuthi ubeke amakhona kuma direction ahlukene?
It was for me to explain, to show the court
Yes.
how the place is situated.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how in my mind when I put the cones. I
Yes.
wanted to show the court how that place, the court here, that there is a court, there is a police station, there is an address.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
how I came to the conclusion.
Athi lokho kwafika emcabangweni wakhe ukuthi izikade besithombe esigcwele kade lenkosi enkantolo ke sithombe lapho ukuthi amacoin athile ke lapho ama-cones athile abeke ngendlela ethize lapho ke ekuthizeni enzeke lapho ke sithombe esigcwele noma dwebe isithombe ke lapho kade kwele nkantolo isithombe ngokwenza lokho.
Yeah, look, Mr. Mangai, in the greater scheme of things, the court was there. We made our own observations, do you understand? We understand where Brigadier Kininda pointed to what he pointed out. We understand where Mr. Sibia pointed to what he pointed out. Showed what he pointed out in this inspection in log. Do you understand?
Athi ngokugcwele nje mnumzane ukuthi uyazi ukuthi bona kade beyile lapho ke futhi nenkantolo kade khona lapho futhi nomnumzane Sibiya kade khona lapho ke athi futhi uyazi ukuthi umsolo oqala yini le bekayikhomba futhi bekakhomba kuphike nendawo bese no Brigadier Kininda yini le bekayikhomba futhi akhomba kuphike nendawo.
Do you understand?
Yakuzwisisa yini lokho?
I hear you. I don't know if Brigadier Kininda was there because no one pointed to me that this is Brigadier Kininda. I don't know him.
Athi yebo ngiyakuzwa kepha ke akunamuntu owamtshela ukuthi nawo Brigadier Kininda noma akakaze atshengisa ukuthi nawo ke umnumzana uBrigadier Kininda.
Yeah, well, that is not a big thing. Now, page photo 30 and 31.
Isithombe sesi-30 futhi nesithombe sesi-31.
Yeah, photo 30 is that photo with the chicken. I would have asked you what ultimately happened to that chicken, but I realized that it was walking towards the fence.
Athi isithombe sesi-30 la khona ke unike sitshengisa ukuthi kunenkukhu ekhona ke lapho ke ehambayo.
Now you're saying that Mark F is a guard room. Not so?
Bathi konje uthize laba baqaphe khona ke ngombhalo kaF ukuthi ke indlu ehlala bomantshingilane akusenjalo yini?
F, it's a cone that represents where there's a guard room. I'm
Yes.
trying to show the court that this is there's a guard room there where it is.
athi khona ke ikhona khona ke laphuzulu ka F kepha ke ikhona leyo tshengisa ukuthi khona ke indlu bomantshingilane eseduze nalesango lelana athi kungakho wabeka waqapha lapho ukuthi ku F lapho.
So the guard room is at a place where that cone is.
Yes, the cones is in front of the guard room.
Athi ikhona leyo ke ingaphambi kwe guard room futhi ke lapho ke indlu ehlala bomantshingilane abagade lapha yana.
Icon, Mr. Manganye. Where's the guard room there at that cone? Where that F letter is pointing at that cone? Where is the guard room there? Unless maybe I'm a little bit, but I'm sure I'm not. I don't suffer from any eye challenges. Where's the guard room there?
Athi ke ummeli mnumzane Mangayi cela ukuthi silekelele usho ukuthi ngabe ikuphi yini indlu ehlala bomantshingilane lapho ke kule phuzu la ka F.
On photo 31, if you look,
Athi kwisithombe sesi-31 uma ngabe
if you
ubheka
look to your left,
esandleni sakho sobunxele
there's a guard room there.
athi khona ke indlu ehlala bomantshingilane ke lapho.
So
Do you
31.
perhaps have a photo, Mr. Manganye? You know, now you're putting this cone in a very serious predicament because all that we're seeing there are little two reddish things that are standing there, and then there's that letter E that is pointing at some, I don't know whether that's an electric box or what, but is there a photo in the whole entire album, just to demystify us, that clearly depicts the existence of that guard room there?
Athi uyabona ke lokho ukuthi khona ke phuzu la ka ikepha likhombe khona ngala khona kamakhona amabili athi akazi mhlawumbe khona itshengise kuphi ke mhlawumbe lokho zane danger box khona lapho ukuthi itshengise into athi kepha mana nodaba lwendlu ehlala ke bomantshingilane ngabe kule thombe zakho sikhona yini isithombe esitshengakala noma sitshengisa ke indlu ehlala bomantshingilane?
I have to check on my photos if there's a photo that shows the thing, because I'm not checking. I don't have all my photos here. But on my, I can see that there's a guard room there. There are security ways.
Athi kumele ukuthi ahambe ke abuke ke phakathi kwezithombe lezi zonkana lezi esikhona phambi kwakhe ke phakathi yena uyabona ukuthi khona ke indlu ehlala bomantshingilane ke lapha ya.
Well, I can pay you out. Actually, I can bet, not pay you out. Because if I say pay you out, it means I tend to agree with you. All that I see there, and I don't intend to argue with you, are two reddish cones that are whitish on top, and there's an electric box there where that letter E is pointing. That letter F is pointing to a cone that is in the middle of the road, and you are saying it's a guard room there.
Athi ke ummeli ithi asho inkulumo yakhe ukuthi phecelezi nesithombe lesi athi into ayibonayo ukuthi kukhona ke amakholi amabili ke anombala ongathi mhlawumbe ubomvu ke lapho ke kepha la phezulu khona ke nombala omhlophe futhi duze nawo ke khona ke lokozana athi mhlawumbe ibox legesi ke lapho ke athi kepha ke imali phecelezi nodaba lephuzu la ka F lakhona ke ikhona khona ke nombala ke oyellow ke la thizena khona ke indlu bomantshingilane athi cha lokho akukho njalo.
If I can show the code, yeah, this is that boom gate. Yeah, it's that thing of a boom gate where the security, when they close that thing, they've got a stop on top here. If they close it,
Yes.
then you will see the stop, then
Yes,
the gate will
yeah.
be closed. The people who opens and closes it is the security guards that's always there in that room.
Athi ke ufakazi uma ngaba ke ubuka ke khona lana ke kule ndawo khona ke ngalombala ogqinile oqanile athi la kule ndawo khona ke ibhokisi khona ke futhi inayo ke ustock lapho ke ngaphezulu athi khona ke indlu bomantshingilane ke khona lana la hlala khona bomantshingilane abafuthi mhlawumbe ubona abavula lana ke izaphinda ukuthi bavale.
But that's the reason why I'm saying to you, is there a photo in your entire photo album now? You have got a bit of a leverage. that you can say this is the guard room that I'm referring to, which is pointed by point number F, which is pointing right in the middle of the road.
Athi-ke kule thombe zonkana owayithubula ngabe sikhona yini isithombe la kutshengakala khona-ke indlu lebo Mantshingilane la khona-ke kukhumabala nephuzu laka F khona?
Yeah, yes, the guard room I'm talking about. This
Where?
one.
Sorry, it appears some of us didn't actually see that. I saw it. When we went there, when we were from where Mr. Nubin, Sibia, originally told us this is where I was assaulted. Then we came out, and when we accessed that road, there were police manning it there. They actually opened the boom for us to pass through. It was manned.
Ethi kusenkantolo yona-ke ayibona-ke indlu ihlala kabo Mantshingilane-ke laphayana-ke ngesikhathi ngelanga leli ngalona lapho kule inspection lokho athi futhi ngesikhathi ngaphambi ukuthi baphume kula boom gate leyana-ke athi amaphoyisa-ke iwona-ke awafika lapho-ke besayivula-ke la boom gate sona bayiqake lapho-ke kule ndawo leya.
This guard room photo, that I find it very difficult to decipher from that photo of yours. When was it photographed? This photo, when was it taken?
Bathi isithombe lesi yothi khona-ke ndlela ehlala boMantshingilane ngabe basithubula ngaliphi-ke ilanga noma sifathathwa ngaziliphi ilanga isithombe lesi?
All the photos which contains the cones, the yellow cones which I took them on the 5th.
Athi zonkana ithombe la kutshengakala khona-ke ekhoni enombala-ke eyellow-ke athi ithombe lezi kwathatha ngelanga lange-5.
Now, when you took this photo, what was happening as a description of the relevance of this photo here? What was the relevance of this photo, the description of what was happening here?
Bathi ngelanga leli ithombe lezi ngelanga lange-5 ngabe yini inhloso mhlambe imbangela ukuthi ugcina uthatha ithombe lezi mhlambe into yakuphuqa uthatha ithombe lezi ngelanga lelo?
No, I mean,
Description yakhona.
I'm sorry. When you took this photo number 31, with specific markings of the F, E, and G, what is it that you wanted to bring to the attention of this court about letter E, about letter F, and letter G?
Athi ngelanga leli bolaphayana uthatha-ke isithombe lesi-ke ngabe kade kuyini inhloso mhlambe into ofuna ukuthi uthi udwebe ubese isithombe osidwebela inkosi yenkantolo phecelezi nodaba lokuthi wena la kukhona la uqaphe khona-ke mhlambe uqapha ngo-D, waqapha ngo-F, waqapha ngo-E, waqapha ngo-G, kade ukwenzelani lokho?
Is to explain to the court how the place looks and what is the surrounding, how it looks, what is there at the area. I was explaining to the court to understand what is there at the area.
Athi bekuthi achazele inkantolo atshele inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi inkosi yenkantolo ukuthi ngabe kade kuyini bekhona-ke lapho-ke kuleya ndawo leya.
Did somebody, Mr. Manganyi, on the 4th, when the court was there, did you ever notice somebody from amongst the court personnel who went there and started to say something about that situation, about what we have depicted in that photo there?
Athi ngelanga lange-4 ngesikhathi ngabe kukhona yini umuntu wamuzi eqhamuka la enkantolo ekhuluma phecelezi nalokho okutshengakala kule sithombe lesi?
Yes,
Who is that?
Yebo, ubani-ke loyo?
Advocate Baloy is the one who said to me I must take photos of there and photos on the road with where it's written. It's on photo. It's written Metro Police. But I was told by Advocate Baloy to take those photos. That's why I took them.
Athi yebo lapho kwatshelwa advocate Baloyi ukuthi athathe ithombe lezi-ke esitshengala khona lapho-ke athi futhi khona-ke esinye isithombe uma ngabe zijobele inkulumo yakhe-ke lathi khona-ke ibhodi elibhaliwe ukuthi Metropolis lapho-ke athi advocate Baloyi awamtshela ukuthi kumele athathe ithombe lezo.
He told you on the 4th, and then you came back on the following day.
Wakutshela ngelanga lange-4 bese nobuya lapha ngelanga elilandelayo.
On that particular day, there were people all over. There was no way I was going to show the court how it is. I took the photo that day. Then, because there was people on it, for the court to understand the place, I went when it is clean. The photos which I put is the one I went when it's clean, when there's no people around. There were few, those who were crossing.
Athi-ke ufakazi ngelanga langeyi-4 zikhona-ke iy'thombe awayithatha-ke laphayana kule ndawo inspektionini lokho-ke athi kepha kule y'thombe lezo kade kujangala khona-ke abantu abaningi kepha-ke ngesikhathi bekabuyela okwesibili ngelanga elilandelayo-ke lapho-ke kade kungenabantu futhi kade kukhanyile futhi cacabha ngesikhathi lesi bekathatha-ke iy'thombe lesi.
Yeah, you see, Mr. Manganye, I will not ask you why some photos were able to take in the presence of other people when there was a large crowd of people that gathered there and others were not able to take. So, with specific regard to photo number 31, it was a little discussion between yourself and Advocate Baloyi where he said to you, take also that picture there.
Athi because uma sikhuluma phecelezi ngodaba lwesithombe sesi-31 ushuthi wasithatha ngemuva ukuthi u-Advocate Baloyi uyena wasokwenza ukuthi kwamele ukuthi uthathe isithombe saleya ndawo.
I took photos where I was told to take and make an album of it.
Athi yena kufakaza wathatha ithombe malana ngemuva kwenkulumo kade ayitshelwa ukuthi kwamele ukuthi athathe-ke ithombe lezo-ke bese uyabuya-ke wenza i-photo album.
Advocate Baloyi says to you, when you had a discussion, both of you, also take a picture there. Is that what happened?
Bathi usukuthi ngesikhathi bokhulumisana angizwa. Bathi usuthi ngesikhathi bokhulumisana no-Advocate Baloyi ngabe uyena othi kwamele ukuthi uthathe isithombe salaphayana.
No, when we were when we were there was everyone we were walking. Then he said he needs photos of this place while we were walking, even the fence walking towards the court. While we were that side of the court and the police station, even the court asked the height and how it's situated.
I'm talking about that picture, man. Let's confine yourself to that picture. Confine yourself to that picture. My question is very simple. It was a little discussion between yourself and Advocate Baloyi, where he said to you, take also a picture of this boom gate and the house guard, which is not even visible at the scene. Is that what happened?
Athi khohlwa-ke ngokuthi umtshele-ke incazelo eningi futhi ejulile athi ula ukhuluma phecelezi ngesithombe lesi saka-31 athi kule sithombe lesi ushuthi u-Advocate Baloyi owasho kuwena ukuthi kwamele ukuthi uthathe isithombe saleya boom gate athi khona-ke laphayana noma akusinjalo.
No, there was a lot of people. We were working with a lot of people.
Athi kade khona-ke abantu abaningi futhi besihamba nabantu abaningi.
Ayibo. Mr. Manganye, you said you would go through the entire photo album just to get us a picture where that house guard, what do you call it now? The guard room is clearly visible, not saying coming to us tomorrow, not so? Do you understand? I'm saying he just said he would love to go through his entire pictures, a lot of pictures, where he would want to go and identify a picture that will plainly and visibly show that the guard room there. Because I've got difficulty in deciphering what is it that is a guard room in photo number 31 there. Do you understand?
Athi konje uthize uma ngabe ungathola isikhathi esanele sokuthi ubukeke ithombe zakho zonkana lezi kula ungabuya futhi usho khona-ke ukuthi nasi isithombe la kutshengakala khona-ke i-guard room kusona-ke wathi akusinjalo yini lokhu kushilo ngoba athi umele kuthola kunzima ukuthi avumelane nenkulumo leyo wena oyishoyo malana nophecelezi nodaba lolu lendlu ehlala khona-ke abomantshingilane oyibiza ukuthi wona-ke i-guard room ngelimi lesingisi.
If it's there in my photos, I will find it, then I can show. Because I don't know in which angle I have that guard room and in which angle. But if it's there, I can find it.
Athi uma ngaba-ke ikhona-ke indlu ehlala umantshingilane kwiy'thombe lezi-ke anayo-ke uyothi asize-ke ngaso leso sithombe leso-ke athi ngoba akazi ukuthi iy'thombe lezi kade athatha ame kuluphi-ke uhlangothi ngesikhathi lesi bekayithatha.
Yeah, no, it's fine. We'll come with that explanation tomorrow. Thank you, my lord. I will pause my cross-examination for now, pending the information that the witness says still have to go and seek. Thank you. As the court proceeds, my lord, I've got no use for this witness.
Thank you, my lord. I have no cross-examination to this witness. Thank you.
No questions, my lord.
Yeah, okay. You see, I thought people will know how to take notes at an inspection in loco. I'm just going to place my observations and what I wanted to find out at the scene, because it will also form part of the evidence which predicates the judgment which shall be made regarding the evidence as a whole. Right, it says inspection in loco held in the matter of State versus Sevilla and 4 others on the 4th of July 2025. The judge makes an observation that opposite the fire brigade building is the municipal offices as well as the Metro Police offices. Then I asked Mr. Sibia, what happened on the 5th? Then Mr. Nisi answers, accused was covered with plastic on his face, and that is when the assault began. The judge, who parks at the parking which we were standing at? There was a municipal officer there, and he had some of his colleagues there, and he said they used that parking, and that's not evidence, it's just an observation I wanted to register as to who parks there. And then I asked, what time does the fire brigade open? They said, no, it opens all day long. And then I wanted to know these offices on which we are standing next to, who and what do they house? Then one of the officers there says the municipal offices are shared with the EMPD. And I wanted them to show me the extent of the sharing. They pointed out. And then I wanted to know, when are the municipal offices open? Then somebody there who works there told me they are between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Those are the municipal offices. Then the accused, Mr. Sbia, came on and said, on Tuesday, I was made to sit on the floor and I was handcuffed. And this was on June the 30th, 2020. Geninda walked towards me and later moved away with the other officials to the car to hold a meeting. There were about 7 cars. Then I asked Mr. Sbia, what place is this? Then he says, we know it as Masipala, Damaspala. Then Mr. Nisi asked his client, are you familiar with this place? Then Mr. Sibia said, I am familiar, but I have never entered the building before that day when he was assaulted. Then Mr. Nisi remarked that to one of the co-accused, to his client rather, and he said to him, didn't you say through me that you were taken to a secluded area? And then why do you say that place is secluded? Then his client answers, when I was assaulted, people could not see when I was being assaulted. Mr. Nisi, anything to add? His client, no. Mr. Nisi, who assaulted you? Accused. That is Mr. Sbia. Traffic officers, about 5 of them. I could recognize them if I see them, and they were joined in the assault by more Metro Police officers. Mr. Nisi, how many officers assaulted you on the 30th? Mr. Sibia, I would not be able to say because my face was covered. Mr. Nisi, were you not asking where you're not asking for the exact, I was not asking for the exact number, but I just wanted an estimate. Mr. Spear, well, it was on the 30th, there were plus minus 14. Right, I was even listening to Mr. Baloyi when he was asking questions. Advocate Baloyi, this is where Brigadier Geninda met the accused for the first time in Mokhola's car. Then Geninda was there and he points that area and he says, Geninda, I drove and parked in front of the pedestrian entrance. I used the pedestrian entrance to enter the police station to meet the accused and his staff. Then I asked, where is the magistrate's court, the police station, and the office? You say you visited earlier. Then he said, Geninda, they have their own entrances, and they are all standalone buildings, separated from each other. Then I made a remark that the court observes that the magistrate's court and the police station are divided by a large wall. I then asked Geninda, how does one access the court building? Then Geninda answers, there are two separate entrances from the police station, one for the pedestrian, another one for motor vehicles. Then Mr. Baloyi intercedes. He emphasized that there are outside lights around the court building as well as around the police station. And I can tell Mr. Nisi what he said. They struck his shoulders and looked around. Maybe today there are no police lights. Do you remember saying that? Hello?
No,
Do you remember?
I never said maybe today there are no police lights, my lord.
No, the light on top of the building.
No, I said.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Thank you.
Then Advocate Baloyi, okay, then the judge asks, how many cars did you arrive in? Then Geninda says, on that day, he came alone in his car. And then he says, his staff, they were in a red Volkswagen Golf together with the accused, and there was Sergeant Mohano. And then there was the question about the 30th. But then Geninda said, I never saw the accused on the 5th. And then Advocate Baloyi pointed out that the defense counsel indicated that they would also like to hold an inspection in loco at another crime scene, at the crime scene. However, I objected to that and I pointed out that the current inspection in loco was a standalone application and the court cannot be made or asked to visit other locations which were not part of the original initial application for an inspection in loco. Those are my notes. Okay?
They're very accurate.
Now it goes with experience. So are we, yeah, you can interpret.
mayelana nodaba lolu lwe-15 lokho lecala leli esingalo la ngaphambi kusenkantolo case number yakhona CC 67/2020 but lokho kwenzeka ngelanga la nge-4 zenyanga kaJuly ngomnyaka ka-2025 la khona ke inkosi yenkantolo ibhalile mayelana nodaba lolu yona ke elibonile mathupha ngelanga ledisi lapho ku-inspection lokho ke athi mayelana nodaba lokuqala ijudge kade noma inkosi yenkantolo kade ikhuluma ngalo noma mhlawumbe into ayekade ayibonile lapho ke ukuthi duze nalenda ye-fire brigade ukuthi khona kamahhovisi kamasipala kade akhona ke lapho ke futhi namahhovisi ama-metropolis kade akhona ke lapho ke bese inkosi yenkantolo yabuza khona ukuthi ngabe yini eyenzeka ke ngelanga la nge-5 ke lapho ke bese advocate Mnisi wabuya waphinda khona njalo washo ukuthi umsola ngesikhathi kade lapho ke kade ambozwe ngoplastic yena ke lakena ke ebusweni ke bese ngemuva kwalokho bese washaywa ke lapho ke bese inkosi yenkantolo yabuya futhi yabuza ukuthi ngabe ngabe uba kade aphakile lapho-ke kule parking lapho-ke kule ndawo yakhona-ke lapho-ke bathi khona kama-municipal abasebenzi bakamasipala lapho-ke ngaphansi kwe-ofisi leli lakamasipala-ke bathi khona njalo i-fire brigade yakhona-ke bayivula ngaso sonke-ke isikhathi sokuthi 24/7-ke ngesingisi-ke lapho-ke bathi khona njalo kama-ofisi kamasipala-ke lapho-ke iwona-ke ahamba noma mhlawumbe asendaweni eyodwana nama-ofisi we-EMPD futhi ama-ofisi kamasipala-ke lapho-ke avulwa ngehora laka-8 kusasa-ke ekuseni kwefince-ke bavale ngehora laka-4-ke emini noma ntambama-ke lapho-ke kepha-ke lapho bathi i-EMPD yona-ke ama-ofisi wayo ahleli evuliwe ngaso sonke-ke isikhathi sokuthi 24/7 uma bebiza-ke ngelimi lesingisi-ke lapho-ke mala nodaba lakwamsolo wakhe lapho-ke inkulumo ekade ayikhulumile ngekade athi ngolwesibili ngelanga lange-30 zaka-June ngomnyaka 2020 kukuthi yena-ke wacela ukuthi ahlale phansi-ke futhi ngesikhathi kade ahlezi phansi kade emgaxe ozankosi-ke kuyena-ke besathi ubrigadier ogcina indawo yena-ke oweza-ke yena-ke mathupha bese ngemuva kwalokho-ke wahamba wayakho kwabanye wezesiphoyisa ade beseceleni lapho-ke bekhuluma khona-ke khulumisana khona-ke nabanye-ke lapho-ke athi-ke umsolo oqala kade khona-ke imoto ade zizikhombisa-ke laphayana-ke manje kusenkantolo yabuya ibuza ukuthi ngabe yini igama lendawo noma ikophika indawo yakhona-ke wathi-ke umsolo oqala indawo yakhona bayazi njengokuthi-ke amabhilidi kamasipala-ke lapho-ke besathi u-advocate Mnisi wabuza ukuthi ngabe mhlawumbe yindawo oyijwayele lena noma yini-ke athi umsolo oqala yebo ngijwayele kepha ngikaze ngangena ngaphakathi kula mabhilidi rana ngaphambi kwelanga leli ade hamba nabezesiphoyisa-ke abangena lapho-ke bese wathi u-advocate Mnisi-ke yena-ke inkulumo yakhulunywa-ke umsolo oqala emtshela yona-ke kukuthi yena-ke wathathwa-ke kwindawo-ke engayijwayele noma kwindawo engajwayelekile futhi kade athi kungani bekasho njalo-ke ukuthi indawo engajwayelekile athi yena-ke wathathwa wamiswa kule ndawo lena-ke kade angayazi-ke futhi kade abantu bengekhe bambone-ke uma ngabe kade akuyona futhi eshayelwa kuyona-ke manje wabuza u-advocate Mnisi ngabe mhlawumbe kukhona yini ongafisa ukuthi ukujobelele lapho-ke kule nkulumo yakho-ke athi umsolo oqala uma ngabe iphendula athi cha akukho angathanda ukuthi akujobelele-ke lapho-ke bese u-advocate Mnisi wabuza khona nje athi ngabe mhlawumbe ubani ade akushaya-ke lapho-ke umsolo oqala wathi lapho kade ashaya ama-traffic officers wakhona-ke noma mhlawumbe abasebenzi bama-traffic officers lapho-ke athi kade bekhona-ke abayi-5 angakhona ukuthi abuye futhi abakhumbule uma ngabangaza futhi aphinde ababone athi nalabo kade labo bejoyinwe noma mhlawumbe kade bengeziwe abanye bezesiphoyisa se-Metropolis-ke lapho-ke athi u-advocate Mnisi ngabe mhlawumbe bangaki-ke amaphoyisa akushaya ngelanga lange-30 athi yena-ke ngekhe akhona ukusho ngoba kade bemboze ubuso bakhe mhlawumbe evale ubuso bakhe engakhoni ukubona ukuthi ngabobani futhi abangaki abamshaya-ke lapho-ke bese u-advocate Mnisi athi lapho-ke akhulume ukuthi ngenamba-ke egcwele mhlawumbe ngenamba enesiqiniseko ngayo kepha kuma ngaqakhela ngabe mhlawumbe ngokuyibalo awungaki amaphoyisa-ke akade amshaya lapho-ke athi yena-ke umsolo oqala mhlawumbe ngathi sithi mhlawumbe amaphoyisa awu-14 noma amaphoyisa-ke awu-15 athi lokhu kwenzeka ngelanga lange-30 zaka-June bese u-advocate Mnisi wabuza ukuthi manje ngelanga lange-30 ngabe yini enzeka lapho-ke athi ngelanga lange-5 zaka-June ngelanga lange-5-ke lapho-ke angathi ade kwamaphoyisa-ke ayi-10 kade amshaya-ke lapho-ke uma ngabe sekuyabala ngokuyibalo mhlawumbe iqagela-ke lapho-ke phecelezi nenkulumo yakhulunywa u-advocate Baloyi ngesikhathi ade belapho-ke police station-ke lapho-ke u-advocate Baloyi washo njalo ukuthi kula khona-ke umsolo oqala wahlangana khona-ke okokuqala ngesikhathi bekahlangana khona-ke noSergeant nobrigadier Gininda futhi wayengaphakathi kwemoto kaMogula-ke lapho-ke bese athi ubrigadier Gininda yena-ke washayela-ke imoto wafika wamisa lapho kule parking yakhona kuseduze nale ndawo ehamba abantu abahamba ngeenyawo-ke lapho-ke futhi athi khona-ke indawo ezimbili abafuthi bayisebenzisa ezivame ukuthi zisetshenziswe-ke lapho-ke uma ngabe umuntu uyisa lapho-ke police station-ke lapho-ke uthi le ndawo engena abantu abahamba ngeenyawo futhi nendawo yesibili engena abantu abashayela-ke imoto-ke lapho-ke bese athi khona njalo-ke lapho-ke inkantolo encane-ke lapha-ke futhi nesikhumulo seziphoyisa-ke izona kade bevakashele ngelanga lela lakusasa kepha-ke amabhilidi amabhilidi amabili-ke ayimele futhi isikhumulo seziphoyisa-ke sichelezi isikhumulo esiyimele futhi nenkantolo naso isakhiwo nje lapho-ke siyimele-ke lapho-ke bese senkantolo yasho ukuthi ngabe yini mhlawumbe yenzeka lapho-ke naye yabona ukuthi khona-ke njalo lokhu-ke izakhiwo ezimbili lezi eziyimele kepha zahlukaniswe ngebonda nje elikhona-ke laphakathi kwazo-ke bese wabuza khona njalo ukuthi mhlawumbe ngabe angaki amabhilidi akhona-ke lapho-ke ubrigadier Gininda athi khona-ke elokhuzana indlela ezimbili uma ngabe usiya lapho-ke abavame abantu bayisebenzise yosho ukuthi ilena ehamba ngeenyawo ehamba abantu abavamise ukuthi bahambe ngeenyawo bese-ke yesibili le isetshenziswa-ke abantu abashayela-ke imoto-ke lapho-ke bese u-advocate Baloyi washo khona njalo mayelana nenkulumo yakhe ukuthi yena-ke ngesikhathi kade belaphayana ke khona ke ngaphandle ke usuthi ke amalight ke kagesi akhanyayo ngaphandle kwenkantolo ke lapho ke futhi lapha eduze nase police station ke lapho ke bese inkosi yenkantolo yabuza lapho ukuthi kade ngabe kade zingaki imoto umnumzana uBrigadier Gininda kade ehamba ngazo ke lapho ke uBrigadier Gininda waphendula ngokuthi kade ehamba yena yedwana ngaphakathi kwemoto yakhe ke lapho ke kepha ke ngelanga la nge-30 ke umsola oqala kade ngaphakathi kwemoto kade wathi imoto enombala obomvuke iVW Golf kade ishaywa lapho ku Sergeant Mukhane futhi ngelanga la nge-30 lokho akwenzeka lapho ke athi yena ke akakazi amboneke umsola oqala ngelanga la nge-5 bese ke lapho ke uadvocate Baloyi washo khona njalo malana nodaba lakho lenkulumo yakhe futhi nabameli ngesikhathi esikade ebatshengisa lokho kade abatshengisa khona ke ngesikhathi se-inspection lokho ke ukuthi kumele ukuthi bahambe ke baye futhi kwindawo yesigameko la kwenza khona ke isigameko bese inkosi enkantolo yathi ngaba ke lokho ukuthi bahambe bavakashe ke kwindawo leyesibili la kwenza khona ke isigameko ngelanga leli kwenzeka ngalesigameko lapho ke futhi asho khona njalo ukuthi ngoba ke inkosi enkantolo yakunqaba lokho ke ngoba isicelo desenziwe ngaphambi kwayo bekuyisicelo sokuthi ke bahambe baye kule ndawo le ethizeni la kade asola khona ke noma le umsolo oqala kade washo khona ke malana naye ukuthi yena kula washayelwa khona ilokho nje kuphela.
Yeah, and the last thing, if you remember, did I ask you to take photos about the gentleman there, Mr. Sibia, to demonstrate to us how was he assaulted, where was he seated? You've forgotten. Who took these photos?
I did.
Hello?
I did take a photo.
Here are the photos. I said he must demonstrate, accused one, sorry to say that, he must demonstrate how he was seated, then he went down on his force, then you took a photo.
Inkosi enkantolo besho khona njalo kufakaza ukuthi abe mhlawumbe usakhumbula yini la kade icela khona ke ufakaza ukuthi athathe izithombe ngesikhathi lesi umnumzana uSibiyebe katshengisa inkosi enkantolo futhi abameli ke ukuthi yena ke washaya kanjani ke lapho ke futhi nokuthi wahlala kanjani ke phansi athi ufakazi yebo ngisakhumbula lokho.
And also Mr. Sibia demonstrated that on that day your legs were not cuffed. And you actually showed me. They were next to each other, your legs. Marabazanga bakufaka amahanga boyasi inyaweni. Am I correct, sir? Hello?
Athi
Hello?
inkosi enkantolo ithi ngelanga lele yacela ukuthi wena ke usho khona njalo ukuthi ngesikhathi kade kusenzeka lokhu ke wena ke wathi enyaweni zakho kade bengakubophile noma kade bengagaxile ke lamakatanga kade beganxe ngawo ke kepha ke inyawo zakho kade zisendaweni noma kade zisondelene ngabe inkosi enkantolo ikhuluma iqiniso ngokusho lokho noma ikhuluma amanga. I never said that my foot they were next to each other. However, I was not cuffed on that day.
How did I know that you were not cuffed? Because I was not there on the 30th of May. Okay, those are my notes. So, are we sitting tomorrow again?
Indeed, my lord.
What's your time now?
It's 3:20.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, we can adjourn until tomorrow. You say you've got some other prints of your photos.
Yes.
Will you come with them all?
Yes, I'll bring them.
Okay, we can adjourn then.
So that's why I gave a full to mobile.